In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change character avatar on PolyBuzz AI. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way so you can update your character's look with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press Enter. From the results, click the official PolyBuzz website. You'll recognize it by the PolyBuzz.ai address. This takes you to the platform where all character tools live. On the homepage, click Create Character. This brings you into the character workspace where your existing characters are listed. Locate the character whose avatar you want to change. You can scan by name or thumbnail to make sure you're selecting the right one. When you've found it, click Edit to open the character's settings. Inside the editor, look for the avatar or profile image area and click Choose. This opens your options for setting a new image. Here you can click Upload Image to bring in a new picture from your device, or if you have images you've already created in PolyBuzz, you can select one of those instead. For best results, pick a clear, front-facing image with good lighting and a simple background. Square images work especially well, and common formats like JPG or PNG are typically supported. Avoid low-resolution files, heavy filters, or anything that obscures the face. When you're ready, select your photo avatar from your computer. Use your File Explorer or Finder to navigate to the image you want. Click the file to highlight it so you can preview the name and location, ensuring it's the correct one. Next, click Open to confirm your choice. After this, you may see a preview inside PolyBuzz. If a crop or framing option appears, keep the face centered and make sure key features are visible. This helps the avatar display cleanly across different parts of the platform. To finalize the change, click Save. You should see your character's avatar update, and a confirmation message may appear. The new image can take a moment to refresh in all views, so don't worry if it updates in stages. Once saved, your character will use this avatar wherever it appears within PolyBuzz. That's all there is to it. Google PolyBuzz, open the site, go to Create Character, find your character, click Edit, choose the Avatar option, upload or pick an image, confirm with Open, and save your changes. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your characters in PolyBuzz AI.